Hello my friends, and welcome back to the channel with the Porsche 934 Vaillant, first model ever made from Tamiya in RC world, and this is the original. This is the 5th video for the resuming and refitting of the car. It was a quite never used car, very old, assembled with the technique of how many? Near to 50 years ago. So the paint is not the exact one, but I leave it because it's a message from the past. This was how we used to do. In the last video I rebuilt this part of the fender that was missing, and I told you also the other is not so good, and so this morning I made this. I knew that I couldn't resist to fix this one. Not a great work, but I have to paint again, like by this side. That's quite nice. Remove the old glue, check if it copies well, not so much. And this you can't do with a drill, because plastic melts and you have a very nice plastic ball. Here there's something that makes it's quite uncomfortable to work here. No. Okay, no matter. File. Okay, blue. I can't stay here half an hour in this way, 2 hours. Let me find a way. Okay. Then I will sand down a little bit this part, paint again, and during the drying process you can adjust for 1 hour about. By now, like this, then we will see. Now I wait this to dry, then I sand it down. I do the color as I made for this, and I paint, I let it dry. Then next step is to try to cure all the imperfections of the painting, because it was quite nice, but in somewhere it's a little bit like an orange skin. Well, and also for today we start the work. Don't comment, don't like, don't subscribe. Okay, and now I paint again. Okay, this will be orange with a little bit of polish. Wait to dry and see the final color. About the body finishing, I don't know if you can see. I tried to move the light in order to let you. Here I used this paste that makes this work. Attention. Understood? But the result is not so good as I imagined. There's always the orange skin, and the finishing is a little bit satin, not perfect polished. So next step, this one, and with this will be perfect like glass. But the thing is that the bad parts of the painting here, I can't fix them here. Yes, we have stickers, and stickers will cover the most part of the imperfections. So I think that I will stop here. Now I have to finish a little bit these parts. Then next, orange. Masking, painting. Painting is nothing, masking is a mess. Wait the wax to dry, then clean up, and look at this. It's not finished. I just began the work, but it's already shining. This wax is fantastic on your real car when you wash it after this treatment. You see water, and if you drive under the rain and you have waxed also the windshield, you don't have problems. You can avoid to use wipers because water flows away. You want to see what do I mean? This. Huh? Great product. Not perfect, but yeah. Well, the body is what it is, but I like it. paint, I decided to use the acrylic Tamiya, hoping well. First layer very thin and not too much on the masking tape, because I don't want, because the masking tape is not perfect, I don't want paint gets through. So first layer will be terrible. Let it dry, then another, until I'm satisfied. After 2 layers of this is the situation, and I'm not satisfied. I think that I will paint a 3rd one, and I hope the last one. Done! Unmasked, painted, nice, not perfect, but more than sufficient. I can say nice. Next, now we can proceed. We have to build up the body again, but for this we have some problems. This is one, and now I show you my way to try to fix this. That is by both sides or not? No. Yes, also by this side. This is quite difficult. This is quite good. Okay. Outside. This is... There's some work to do on the windows. But this will be in the next video. This and other works to get the body perfectly refitted. Bye now. Don't comment, don't like, don't subscribe. Stay well and up to the next. Ciao.